Okay guys, welcome to the Catfish Kitchen. Finally getting around to putting this sink in. The hole's not square. I got a mark on here what needs to be cut. When we built this, I gave my tile guy 4 pieces of plywood pre-cut to make the box to form the hole for the sink. And he put it together wrong. So I took it apart, showed him how to put it together, walked away, didn't even think about it. Once the concrete was in there, I noticed still not square, still not put together right. How hard is it to put together 4 pieces of plywood? So it goes kind of like that. This side he squared it up with the tiles, the other side not squareable. So the sink don't fit, so I gotta cut that out. This is a very cheap sink. I'm kind of wishing now that I splurged and bought a more expensive one, but too late now. I got a hole. What's wrong, Dick? You don't like the dust? Not too bad. Some silicone won't fix. It's actually in there tight. Now I have to decide which side the top is going to go on. Looks like a sink now. I don't know why they put all these ugly stickers on there, you know. Don't even want to come off. Come on. Where'd the sink go? There's a little bit of a bowl like that, so I weighted it down. Hopefully the silicone will work, and then I'll silicone around the edges and see if we get wet. Now, which one do I need? They're the same. These 3 are the same. Okay, those 2 are the same. So, I think I got it. The threads right here on the piece that came with the sink. You know, you really do get what you pay for. You know, you buy a cheap sink and you're asking for problems, because this is not very good. Plus it's a cheap sink. This is from a good company. I use the same one in the house. I have a double sink in the house. I changed the drain on it because the one that came with the sink was horrible, and I bought one like this, same company. It's called Mex. MEX, and that's a double sink, so it's a lot more complicated. This is going to be a problem. I think I'm going to have to replace this bottom, the drain out of the sink. It's easy enough to replace. It's just, you know, buy good and buy quality and pay once. You know, that's the deal. You buy something cheap. I bought this. I was going to put a sink beside the barn and never did it. So then I was going to need a sink here. Oh, I already got a sink. It would have been fine for that. Beside the barn. This is the piece that came with it. It's for a flexible hose. It's, you know, kind of like a washing machine drain. Would have been fine for that. But there it is in the kitchen. And I probably should have painted the wall first. But it's done now. I just need to wait for the silicone to dry. And we'll give her a test run. Oh, she's windy. Okay, it works. Everything works. We got water. And to my surprise, the water actually stays in the sink until you don't want it in the sink. No leaks. Life is good. A Catfish Kitchen as a sink. Only thing left to do in here now, that's the stove and the sink. And Leo, hello Leo, is paint. Not a big deal. Of course I saved my least favorite thing for last, but you know, that's how it is. Oh, I should have put this sink in a while ago. Would have made life easier. Alright guys, there it is. Another job done. As always, thanks for watching. Now to find all my tools and take them home. Back to their home.